Hey there! Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of editing an individual product page on your Wix website. If you're selling online with Wix, keeping your product information fresh and accurate is absolutely vital, whether you want to update your prices, improve your descriptions, or adjust shipping info. By the end of this video, you'll confidently know how to locate and update any product in your online catalog, making sure your customers always find the latest details. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix dashboard. This is essentially your command center, where you have access to all the parts of your website: design, orders, customers, and of course, your product catalog. If you're not already logged in, pause for a moment and do that now. The dashboard layout is pretty intuitive, but if it looks a little different than what you remember, don't worry. Wix rolls out updates now and then, but the basic navigation remains consistent. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left sidebar. You'll notice a section called Catalog. This is where all your products are stored and managed. Go ahead and click on Products underneath Catalog. Wix organizes this in a way that's similar to flipping through a digital inventory book. You'll see a list of everything you offer. Take your time scrolling through, especially if your store has a large range of items. You might even use the search bar at the top if you have several pages of products. When you find the specific product you'd like to edit, hover your mouse over it or move your cursor to the end of its row. You'll see three dots, sometimes called an action menu or more options. These three dots are your doorway to making changes. Go ahead and click on them. This part might take a moment if your list is long or if you haven't updated for a while and need to check which product needs editing. From the menu that pops up, choose Edit Product. This opens up a dedicated page where you can modify all the details for that individual item. You'll see sections for basic info like the product name, price, and images. But don't overlook the other fields. Updating your product description, for example, can significantly impact how buyers connect with what you're selling. Maybe you want to explain the origin of your coffee beans, highlight the materials in your handmade jewelry, or clarify sizing for apparel. The more precise and honest you are here, the better your customer's experience will be. Scroll down a bit further, and you'll see even more options: product info, return and refund policies, and shipping info. Each of these sections plays a big role in building trust with your buyers. For example, if you offer free shipping over a certain amount, make sure that's visible. If you have a generous return policy, spell it out clearly. This can help ease concerns and lead to more sales. And if you notice your shipping times have changed, it's best to update that right away so your customers aren't caught off guard. Don't rush through these details. Take a minute to review everything and ask yourself, is there any information here that could be clearer, more enticing, or more accurate? It's a lot like tidying up the shelves in a physical store. The more organized and up-to-date your product pages are, the more confidence you inspire in your shoppers. And that's really it. Once you're finished making changes, don't forget to hit Save before you exit. Your updates will appear instantly on your live site, ready for customers to see. Thanks so much for watching. If this walkthrough helped you, please tap that like button. Have any questions about editing product pages or want tips for writing great descriptions? Drop a comment below. I love hearing your thoughts and helping out. And if you want to keep mastering your Wix site, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.